Arise, ye loyal riders, spread the battle lines, drive away the shadows until none remain. Satria Daro attempts to depict a super ancient timeline, a prehistoric era long before the Great Migration wave. Years old, with language that has never changed, not even a single word. In several verses it explains about the main creation. Angels created from light and without lust. So if they were to rebel, it would be very unlikely and unbelievable. The jinn were created from smokeless fire. Humans will be in it from earth. And one of the jinn leaders, the fourth-generation descendant of ancestor Baljan, disobeyed the creator of the entire universe. He was exiled and left his kind returning to Earth, planning a strategy with YaZa, who then summoned those left behind, still in a beautiful place to return together. Sworn in Mount Heaven, they were known as the Watcher 200 and committed rebellion. Great war happened, but a crushing defeat befell YaZa's troops. It happened because a good friend in the middle of the war boycotted and conspired. That was the point of fall. This is betrayal. Why? Because all this time he has only been number 2, with a nature full of lust and extraordinary arrogance. He must be exalted and become number 1, replacing YaZa, and the only one to be in control of everything. After the war era ended, he began to be worshipped. Then came the time of the Great Flood. Sometimes humans are busy looking for answers in the most complicated places, even though the key is often right in front of their eyes, like opening a door locked with a nail, while the key has been hanging in their own pocket for a long time.